Hello my friends, my name is Catherine and I am showing you today part 2 of making a circle skirt. Last time we made the pattern and cut the fabric. Today we are going to be sewing. Since we are doing a circle skirt with an elastic waistband, we have cut this wide elastic waistband to 50 inches and we are going to sew it on the raw edges to hold it closed. If you'll recall, our skirt is also 50 inches, so this, because we're sewing it closed, is going to end up a little bit shorter than that, but that's all right. It's elastic. It'll be fine. So we're just going to take and line it up in the machine at about the width we want it, and then just set a couple stitches in real quick just to get it started, and then run a seam, run a seam down. There we go. Alright, trim that off, and our waistband is now a circle. Circle. Okay. I'm just going to grab my clips, because I left them over on the table. Grab my clips, and I'm going to clip that seam open because I want it to get used to lying open flat like this. We're not going to be working on it for a little while now that we've done this, so this will give it time to adjust, as it were. Set that to the side, and then grab one of our 2 circles of fabric. We are going to go ahead and hem the edge of this fabric. And I don't have anything that does a rolled hem, so I'm just going to do my best and wing it. I'm just double folding it over so that the raw edge is tucked inside. So we've got the raw edge here. I'm folding it once and then folding it again. And it's about 1/4 inch wide on that. So, here we go. Shove it underneath my presser foot. And like I like to do, walk a couple of stitches out into it. My machine can get a little bit finicky, which is why I do this. This is my backup machine. My regular machine is out being serviced right now, which I can and will do myself in the future, but this is what's going on for now. So then I'm just going to make sure that I continue to roll that hem as I work along, keeping it at about 1/4 inch. Alright, let's do this thing. This is going to take a moment. Okay, dropped my clips everywhere, but done hemming one of the 2 layers. I'm going to go ahead and hem the other layer, and then I'll be back with you guys to show you what we're doing for the waistband. See you in a little bit. Alright, So we've got the ends of the bottom edges of both of the skirts hemmed, and now we're going to pair them up around the waistline, how they are going to fall when you're wearing them. So right sides out, the way that they're going to end up going. So they'll end up looking sort of like that. And then we're going to take and just clip it together all the way around. And hopefully, if we did everything right, which I'm expecting we have, hopefully everything lines up all the way around. Alright, there we are. Okay. So everything's lined up. We've got it all pinned and ready to sew. So let's just turn our machine on and put our waistband under the foot and tug everything straight. Everything straight, and I think there we go. And then just walk out the first couple stitches, and then we're off to the races. And by off to the races, I mean going to sew down this at an even and controlled pace. Okay, and then the two layers are sewn together. Now, the last and final step is going to be attaching the elastic waistband. So to do that, what we're going to do is turn our outer layer inside out so that it's on the inside. There we have it. The outer layer is now the inner layer. And then what we're going to do is take our elastic waistband from the very beginning, and that has been good in settling into its flatter seam shape now. It's not quite flat, but it's flatter, open-er. And we're going to take and jam that up between the outer and inner layers inside. So, and there we have it, pinned all the way around. So what we're going to do now is take and settle our whole thing, elastic and all. I'm going to need to raise that up a little bit actually, into our machine and settle it down. And I'm doing kind of a wide seam here. That's all right. I want the elastic to settle down a little bit below where the drape starts from the skirt, if that makes any sense. And then you just want to stretch it, hold the elastic and stretch it so that it's even to the tightness of the fabric, and then sew. And turn the inner skirt back outward all the way around. Fudge. I meant to have that on the inside. Nope, that's okay. We will make it a part of the design. As Bob Ross says, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. We will take and fold that down and set our stitch to a wide zigzag and just zigzag that down. It'll be fine. Once it's on there, no one will know. Okay. Just solving that little problem. Trim those long, and I'll trim them shorter in just a second. And now, it just looks like it was always meant to be that way. No one will ever know the difference. Okay. I'm going to turn the camera around and try this on, so bear with me a moment and Alright, so you guys are in my hands for the ends of this shaky video because I've tried the skirt on and I've decided to show it to you. It's turned out, I think, pretty darn good. But you're just going to have to deal with the shakiness of my hands because I could not find a good angle on showing you this skirt. So here you go. Full body look. Ooh, let's see if I can't turn it far enough. And there's the skirt. That's what it ends up looking like. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. But that's what I did today, you guys. Go ahead and tell me what you did today down in the comments below. I'd be happy to hear from you. And remember to like and to comment and to subscribe, and I will see you guys all later. Bye!